Hi, I'm Haley. Today I'm making lemon bars. Lemon bars are a classic treat and they're super tasty. So let's get started. So the lemon bars have two layers. There's the shortbread crust and then there's the lemon filling. The first thing we're gonna make is the shortbread crust. So I'm going to combine a 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of unsalted melted butter, whoa, oh my gosh, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm gonna use my spatula to stir these all together. Wow, it's like a slushy. Okay, I mixed all that together really well. Now I have 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon of flour, and make sure that when you're measuring your flour, you spoon it into the measuring cup and you level it off. And then I'm just going to stir this in. Once you stir in all of your flour, you should have a thick dough. Now I'm just going to take my 9x9 pan and I lined it with some parchment and I'm going to pour this in there. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna spread it out evenly. Make sure you have clean hands. Just try and get it as even as you possibly can, but don't worry if it's not perfect. Now we're going to bake the crust. My oven is preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and I'm gonna bake this for 15 to 20 minutes until the crust is lightly browned. Very, very lightly. It should only be like around the edges browned and then the middle should still be pale. Now we're gonna make the filling. The first thing I'm gonna do is sift my sugar and my flour. I have 1 cup of sugar and 3 tablespoons of flour. Right, I'm not sure how well sugar sifts. Oh, yep, this is working. Okay, I'm just gonna give this a quick mix. And now to that, I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of lemon juice and 3 room temperature eggs. And you can just do this by sticking your eggs in a bowl of warm water and letting them sit for a few minutes. Oh my gosh, there we go. Okay, I cracked in all my eggs and now I'm gonna go wash my hands. So now I'm just going to whisk all my ingredients together. Okay, my filling is done. It's nice and soupy. And now all we have to do is bake this. All right, my crust is out of the oven. Now I'm just going to take a fork and poke holes in it. Not all the way to the bottom, just halfway through-ish. Just poke holes everywhere. Okay, and once you've poked all your holes, just pour the filling in. Okay, now I'm gonna stick this back in the oven to bake the filling. It's gonna bake for about 22 minutes or until it's no longer jiggly. Okay, after I finished baking my lemon bars, I let them cool at room temperature for about an hour and then I stuck them in the fridge to finish chilling. And now I'm gonna try one. Do you eat lemon bars with your hands? I mean, they're bars, right? Mmm. 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 It's very good. It kind of reminds me of like a lemon tart, and the lemon flavor is still really good even though I used bottled lemon juice, so you can definitely do that. Mmm. So lemony. Well, thank you so much for baking with me today. Let me know if you ever make lemon bars at home, and I'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong. It's 10:04 and I'm baking in my kitchen. We're in the final round of the British Bake Off. And my crust isn't browning, and I'm afraid I won't get my lemon to set. The timer's going off.